Hello children, today we are learn how to make singular to plural, one and many. Last time we learned articles. See the description box for the video of article. Children, if you want to make plural sound, so add the letter S with singular noun. Let's start. Read aloud with me. One and many. One bed, two beds. One book, three books. One cup, four cups. One egg, five eggs. One pen, six pens. One balloon, seven balloons. One rat, eight rats. One spoon, nine spoons. One star, 10 stars. Let's go to the practice. One and more than one. Pick the correct answer. See the pictures and word and write the correct word. Look at this. This is two beds. Answer is bats. See this picture. This is cup. This is one cup. This picture is eggs. Pick the correct answer, eggs. This is pen, one pen. This is singular. Pick the correct answer is pen. This is pot, two pots. That is plural. Pick the correct answer is pots. This is balloons. It is plural sound. Tick on balloons. This is star, one star. It is singular. Tick on star. I hope you understand singular and plural. Subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.